Hey everyone, I just sorted through the first part of my kitchen sort for radically reducing. Yeah, did my tools, my kitchen knives, scoops, ladles, tongs, spatulas, that kind of thing. Yikes. It was kind of hard emotionally. Not as hard as I expected it to be, but I'm still sitting with a little... I'm hoping now that I have the first stage over with, that I can, the next few stages will be easier. I think at this point I'm going to go by cabinets instead of categories. I think that's a really good idea. Anyway, this is a quickie, another one of Johnny's quickies. Update on radically reducing.